Alright guys, we got Bryan here. He's going to crack open some more Star Wars Chrome. Good luck, man. Good luck, good luck. I'll make this go super fast. I'll fan through it. Let's just see the white borders. Forever a Brazilian. I'm getting my chest waxed. Alright. Autograph. It is Anna Brewster. Base. That's all base there. There's one parallel on this one. Crap, I passed it. Waiting in anticipation. To 50. And all base there. She's hot out of the Star Wars stuff? Nice. Yeah, the Weidman was 5 of 5. Jordana Brewster, she is banging. Tell you what. That girl is banging. Daniel Craig Stormtrooper. I didn't even know Daniel Craig was in this. He's opening her boxes. That's pretty funny. No, I mean, I've never seen a Star Wars movie in my life. That's why, like, honestly, I have no idea who the characters are. I don't know what's good and what's not. I know the main guys, but I've never actually seen a Star Wars movie. I need to sit down and do that one day. Box 2. That's all base there. And it looks like this is the medallion. Riot Control Stormtrooper. That's number to 25. And Resistance X-Wing Fighter. To 50. And one parallel at the bottom. Kylo Ren's Power. And that's number 1099. Okay. Finish him. Finish him. There's a Origins football product coming out tomorrow. That's about it. It's a pretty weak release week. So, week. It reminds me of Bowman Inception. It's like Panini's version of Bowman Inception. Yep. Exactly. I think we medallion this one too. Maybe we'll do last box super fractor like yesterday. That was crazy. FN 2187 Finn to 50. Nothing else there. Nothing there. Give the man one parallel at least. It's on the bottom. And it is the Greedy Ukor Plut. That's number 299. Alright, Brian. That'll do it, brother. I appreciate it. I'll get it packed up and we'll ship out ASAP.